businesses, now we need to understand how much money are we making? Is this business profitable? Am I spending more than I have coming in, right? So y'all understand what bookkeeping is. Bookkeeping is basically tracking your numbers, making sure that you know what's coming in. Is it coming in from a service? Is it coming in from a product? Is it coming in from a speaking engagement? Is it coming in for an event? Is it coming in from me doing consultations, right? Where is this money coming in from? Now, what is my cost per item that I'm serving, right? How much does it cost me to book a consultation? Nothing, I just gotta show up, right? I just have to prove that this person paid me for this amount of money for this service, and they're able to get a return on their investment. Make sense? So I have very, very little overhead on my consultations. So I make more profit on consultations versus selling a book, or because I have to ship the book, I gotta package the book, I gotta drive to the post office. Y'all know gas high, right? Making sense? So I need y'all to understand what it is that you're doing in your business and how you bringing in money versus how much money you have going out on overhead. That's basic bookkeeping. I want to give y'all 7 tips on bookkeeping, 7 reasons why you need to understand your bookkeeping. The number 1 reason, Danielle spoke on it a little earlier, was business legal compliance. Making sure that your business is in compliance, especially when it comes down to the numbers, helps you with funding. It helps you not get denied for loans and grants and all of those things. She also mentioned about compliance, getting your annual reporting, right? That needs to be in your budget. You need to make sure that you set aside that money so you can pay for your business to stay within legal compliance. Make sense?
Yep.
The second one is understand your business. It's impossible to run your business without keeping track of your expenses and revenue. If you think that you made $10,000 today and then you make nothing for the rest of the week, that does not make the week a wash. That just means you need to learn how to manage that $10,000 you made on Monday. Make sense? The third thing is measuring your business performance. Is your business growing? People always think that your business is not growing because you got 1 sale today, 2 sales tomorrow, 4 sales the next day. It is growing. The main component is for you to get 1% better each day. Make sense? That's how you make an impact. Number 4 is your business organization. Accounting keeps the business organized. Without accounting procedures in place, you wouldn't know how much money you have available. Meaning, you're making money, right? But you still gotta pay your assistants, your virtual assistants, your graphic designer, your business strategist, your therapist, because you gotta keep your mind right to keep your money. Y'all know Juvenile said, when you broke, you drove, huh? That's real, huh? You broke, you drove. You got money, you outside. You on time, huh? Number 5, decision making. Can I make a decision? Could I hire a videographer to come and video me? Do I have that in a budget? Can I hire a photographer to come and take pictures of these moments that I have, right, to show on my social media? Because I know P camera in 4K. That ain't gonna catch like the iPhone. It's different, right? And that's gonna make people wanna hire me more because they see my 4K pictures on my social media platform, right? And they're like, oh, this is why she charges this much, because she got to pay a fee. She got to pay my fee. She got to pay a mom and them for working the tax. Makes sense. It got to be in the budget. I can't just come up here and say, oh, I'm doing this for free. Can't do it, because it's not in the budget. You're not in the budget. Makes sense? Number 6, produces reports, right? So when I'm talking reports, you have to make sure that you have a payment processing system that you're using. That means not using Cash App, not using Venmo, not using Apple Pay. Now, some websites allow you to still use these platforms because that's integrated in the website. That does not mean I'm Cash Apping Mimi for some swim spray back there.
And not.
Makes sense? So those reports that come based on a daily basis, a weekly basis, a monthly basis, showing how much money Mimi made for the week, showing how much money like he made for the week. The number 7 reason is for business capital. The 7th reason you need for bookkeeping is business capital. Accounting is required for investments. You can't go to the table saying, hey, Chase Bank, give me $50,000 because I know I can make it back. I'm hustling. And I can show you my Cash App statement. Some people gonna say, you know what you could get? Out. All right? Then basically what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the meticulous art of recording all financial transactions a business makes. all, meaning money coming in and money going out. We keep saying it, all right? We gotta understand money going out can't be more than the money we have coming in. 3 benefits of bookkeeping. Access to detailed records, basically helping you with your taxes, helping you understand your money, understanding the cash flow of your business. Ability to make informed decisions, and of course, better tax preparation. 2 questions I always get: should I do my own bookkeeping or should I hire somebody else? I always answer with, do you have time to do your own bookkeeping? Do you understand your numbers enough to do your own bookkeeping? Or are you only talented in the skill which your business does? If you're a hairdresser, you only want to do hair. You're not trying to do braids and bookkeeping. You ain't got time. Make sense? If you're doing nails, you have time to do nails. You have time to break down acrylic, or you have time to do a mani-pedi, not bookkeeping. So that's when you know it's time to hire somebody else, or at least get trained by a professional. Selfless plug, right? Trained by a professional so you can do your own books, so you can understand your numbers better, so you can understand, listen, this product is not making me enough profit. Let me bundle it or let me trash it. Reasons to hire a bookkeeper. 1, real-time solutions. I'm going to let you know we have profitability meetings. Every time I meet with a bookkeeping client, I let them know, hey, you spend too much money on it. I had a client the other day, we had our profitability meeting, and he said, oh, I spent $6,000 on stuff for the business. I said, name some of the stuff. He couldn't say nothing. He was like, stuff. Like, I'm like, what stuff? Or a computer, you ain't need a new computer, so you wasting money. So now your profitability could have been higher had you not made that $6,000 purchase on a credit card that you got to pay back. We're not making money like that. You're recycling the money. We're not trying to recycle the money. We're trying to see how it profit more. Make sense?
Yep.
All right. Bookkeeping tasks for business owners. Y'all write this down. Review your bank and merchant transactions, meaning how much money you have coming in for this month, this week, this day.
Every day.
Every single day.
Every day.
That should be a task. Instead of checking Instagram, check that bank account. Because you might not even have time to be on Instagram if your bank account not looking right.
Period.
Okay? Categorize transactions, meaning if it's personal, mark it under personal. That's not going on your business taxes. If it's business, mark it under business. Make sure that it's all categorized where it's supposed to be and reconciled. File all receipts, bills, and correspondence. File it, meaning if you have a jump drive, save it on your phone. If you screenshot it, whatever, keep a record of it. Okay? And update payroll files. I know a lot of people not paying themselves, so I don't want to talk above your head, but if you are paying yourself, we did speak about S-Corps earlier. If you have a business, you should be paying yourself first. I don't care if you sell a $10 book. Okay, I'm paying myself $2 from this $10 book, $1 going to savings, $1. Make sense? You need to break down that same $10 that you just got. So you can know, okay, well, I make $2 per book that I sell. I make $20 per head that I do. I make this amount of money per whatever I'm selling. Make sense? Yeah. The best accounting software, I'm going to say QuickBooks number 1. Keeper Tax is really good. Wave Apps, FreshBooks is really good. I use all of them. It just depends on the client or the business that I'm working with. Best payment processing systems. I would say for service-based business, HoneyBook. Product-based businesses, Square, Stripe, Shopify. No Cash App, no Venmo, no Apple Pay under no circumstances. Quick business tax breakdown. A lot of people ask this question, and some of y'all might be looking for the answer as well. Do I file my business and my personal taxes together? It depends on your business structure. Danielle went through the structures earlier, but for quick reference, I'm going to say if it's an LLC or a sole proprietorship, yes, you file your business and personal together. That means your 1040 and your Schedule C will go together. If you have an S-Corp or a corporation, your personal taxes will be separate from them, because why? You paid yourself. The owner's draw is your owner's pay, meaning your business personally pays you. All right? Update 2023. Cash App is sending out 1099s for any transactions over $600. So if you were using Cash App, it was supposed to happen this year, this season for 2022, but it's happening next year. So be aware, if you already are using Cash App or you was using Cash App this last 6 months, this 6 months going forward, don't use it anymore, because you will receive a 1099 that's filed on your personal taxes. I want y'all to take y'all phones out right quick. And I need y'all to text me. Y'all ready for the number? I don't hear y'all. Y'all ready for the number?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just trying to make sure y'all still woke. The number is 888-652-0871. And I want you to text money. Text the word money. 888-652-0871.
Bingo.
And when you text money, I'm going to send you a copy of the slides so you can have a little bit more in-depth definitions of some words that you should know as a business owner as it relates to bookkeeping. And also, if you need any services, you can text or call that number. Did y'all find these tips helpful and informative?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, one more thing I need you to do while your phone is in your hand. Go to your app store and download the Carter Capital mobile app. And then, one more thing, follow me on Instagram, Carter Capital PLLC, and my personal page is Drika M. Carter. That's my time, y'all. I appreciate it.